Menopause. So how does one lessen the symptoms of menopause? Early menopause symptoms are caused by a suppression of the endocrine glands, more specifically the pituitary gland. This gland is responsible for hormone production, it's responsible for basically everything in the body, okay? That's what we call the master computer. This is affected when you are highly acidic and the acids in your head and your entire body have built up to the point where it's affecting the glands, and this will affect all the hormones, will affect your hormonal balances, and therefore affect your menopause. Okay, you want to fix this by getting the lymph to move. The lymph is the main sewer system of the body. It's the system that removes the acids of your 100 trillion cells and the acids from the foods you eat. Okay, it's metabolic waste. If these acids have to remove and be drained out, and if they're not drained out, they will affect the pituitary gland. You want to clean the GI tract, okay, because the transverse colon affects the pituitary gland.